Hey guys, what's up? So I'm excited because I'm gonna go ahead and install 1-inch spacers on the rear wheels. They're gonna give me the clearance that I need, especially for this tailpipe. I'll show you guys in a bit what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the car and get those spacers installed today. It's not gonna be much of a like an installation video, but more just to show you guys what's going on. So all right, let's go ahead and do it. All right, so the car is out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around so that way I can have the rear be right here. So yeah, she's out. Let me go ahead and turn it around. All right, so let's see if we can get a before and after shot. That's what it looks like right there. All right, so another reason, like I said, that I am installing the spacers is because these are the Flowmaster tailpipes. It's the whole Flowmaster exhaust, but as you guys can see, the Flowmaster's tailpipes, they don't come dented from factory like the 4 tailpipes. If you guys have the original factory ones, you guys are gonna see that they have like a dent around that area. Well, mine doesn't have, and it's not rubbing, but that is too close for comfort. The 1-inch spacers are gonna give me the clearance that I need so that doesn't happen. Aside from that, it's gonna hopefully semi-flush the wheels. So yep, and this one I'm not having that problem. I don't think so. I don't think I'm having that problem. Yep, see, there's enough clearance on that one. So these are the spacers we're gonna go ahead and install. So like I said, I got it from CJpony parts, and they seem nice, off-centric. So let's go ahead and get those installed. Alright guys, so I removed the rear wheel on the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the area off because we don't want to install it over that. So let's just prep the surface, get some of that. I'm gonna go ahead and wire brush it with the drill so we can have a nice clean surface. I'm not really showing it on video because I don't have an extra person to help me record this, but I'm just using the drill with the wire brush here and just trying to clean the surface as much as I can. It's looking way better from what it was. So I will be changing out the rotors and brakes soon. Well, not soon, sometime, I don't know when, but I have planned in getting rid of the ones that I have right now and get the better ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, once the area is clean, I'm gonna add anti-seize, like a little film of anti-seize here and here, so that way it doesn't really stick to it, and whenever I want to take it off, it'll come out easy. So yeah, that's what it looks like. These are if you guys are wondering what are these are the Steeda Sports lowering springs. So alright guys, let's continue. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. Just a little bit of a film of anti-seize, especially also in this area, because like I said, I don't want it to bond into it, because I am definitely thinking of changing these rotors and the brake pads. Alright guys, so I have it in place, and now the instructions say to torque them to 30 foot-pounds and then do the factory torque, which I think I'm gonna do 100, maybe 120. I'm not sure if that's too much. I'll have to check. So I'll recheck to see what's the torque spec on these. Alright, let's go ahead. So far so good. It's all flushed. Now we're just gonna go ahead and torque it. Alright, so I have it all torqued out, and I also added a film of anti-seize here and on the rim. That way, like I said, I'll be changing the rotors, so looks good so far. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and get the wheel on there, and basically the same thing I did here I'm gonna do on the other side, and it's just gonna be the same thing. Like I said before, make sure you clean the area. Okay, make sure you clean the area first. Okay, and some of you may want to do it, some of you may not. I added a film of anti-seize on there, so that way nothing really sticks, so that way I can uninstall them easily when I'm ready to change out my rotors and brake pads. Alright, so hopefully I'll come back with the final result. Alright guys, so the installation is done. The wheels are back on, and let's see if we can get that after. Yeah, that's a big difference right there. I'm glad I didn't go with the 1.5, and these are just the 1 inch, but I'm really glad I didn't, because then it would have sticking out more, and I wouldn't like that to my liking. So that is perfect. That is right there. That is great. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a big difference. Now, where I wanted it to make a difference is under the car, you know, where the tailpipe was hitting. Well, there you go. That's the clearance that I needed. That is great. I'm excited. That is great. I don't have to worry about that no more. And the car looks really nice. Gives it a nice thing. Let me see. The hood is open, but yep. Great. Oh yeah, so there you go guys. Okay, so the installation is very easy. Just make sure you prep your area, you clean it. You know, if you have new rotors, if you don't really have to do it. I didn't have new rotors, so just make sure you clean the area. Like I said, I added anti-seize, like a film of anti-seize. You don't want to go crazy with that stuff. It's just so that way when I take them off, so that's going to prevent from, you know, from seizing there. So there you go guys, that's great. I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. Look at that. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video.